Hello everyone, welcome back to the videos. It's wonderful to have you here as always. So today in this video I'm going to take a bit of a break from the BMW. I got a couple of bits and pieces that I still have to do to that before I can go and get this engine transmission in. So I gotta get the engine bolted to the transmission. I gotta get that stock pan off, get my pan on, modify a pickup, and then it can get all bolted together. Oh, and I gotta weld a bung onto that, or drill and tap one. I'll probably drill and tap something because it's easier. Hopefully customer should be coming today to pick up his manifold, so they'll be going. And yeah, so with the coronavirus stuff starting to ease a little bit, I can't see it fully easing for quite a while though, especially with what I just heard on the news. My goal today is I want to get the transmission out of this, get the front plate off it, get the bearing all shimmed up, and get it back into the car. While I have it up on the hoist though, I might film my build breakdown as well, so I don't know if I'll release it before this or this before that. Wherever I go in the editing process, whichever one I get done first or is easiest will come out. But yeah, it's enough rambling for me. I'm going to go and try and move these cars around. I'll get Ethel out of the way, get the BMW down and try and push it out of the way. It'll also give me a chance to get the engine and trans that's in there out, so I can finish up engine mounts and whatever else I need to do in there. So yeah, anyway, stick around and get cracking on getting the gearbox out of this thing.
shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back referees. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life watching pins and stripes. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying we're fine.
So, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but this is basically what I want to fix. It's fukaken.
When faced with time, we waste our lives lying we're fine. We step on night to pass that time. We waste our lives lying we're fine. Lying we're fine.
You were like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I'd put everything I'd had into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across a burning bridge for you, for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars? Were you worth the price I paid? Your ransom. I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sick release, a hostage on a silver plate to you, to you.
Well, that's it from me. Transmission's done, I got that sorted. Finally can't hear it rattling away at idle anymore. I'm really happy with the result. Yeah, it was much easier doing it on the lift. And we were able to get in there and get to everything and get it all sorted. Back to normal filming on this. With the next video, yank it out, make up my oil pickup, finish the engine mounts, finish the sump, get them all mounted to the engine and get it in the car, ready for wiring, turbo manifolds and all the other nonsense that I've been saying. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave it in this video. Throw a comment down below, leave a like, share a video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a good fun using the transmission jack from Happ. Thank you Happ again for that. The hoist and everything else. Managed to get transmission out, re-shim it, and do all of that in just a few hours. I am going to have to give it a transmission service. I didn't have any more oil, so I just had to put back what came out of it, and it didn't look the happiest. So yeah, anyway, once again, that's where I'm going to leave it. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Fuck, what dickhead put that back on?